Welcome back. So today, what we're gonna be doing is playing some Prop Hunt. Gotta switch up the game that we play. Let's go ahead and hit server 1. Europe. Yeah, we'll go Europe, whatever. Oh, okay. Let's not look at that. Server list. We'll do this one, 4 out of 6. Make it 5 out of 6. Okay, let's do this. I haven't changed my name yet. I guess we're just gonna fly around. Player 5170 died. So yeah, by the end of this, I will probably change my name. Kevin joined. I honestly don't know what I'm doing right now. This is actually kind of boring. It can't be that. Look, there's one. Kill him. Oh no, the prop win. That map could not be that hard. But why does it keep popping that one up? If someone texts me, I'll have to check. If it's my girlfriend, then I'll text them back. But it's sorry, because I text. Oh. Okay, let's find it. Oh, there's one. But I don't have a good enough. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him. Oh my god, I hate this. I honestly, actually hate this. Blah, 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 blah. Got him. Got double kill. Oh god, I only have 40 HP though. This one? Oop, no, okay. I have no health left and I'm scared. No. Okay. Let's see what happens. There's 25 health left. I'm actually gonna let these guys find him so I don't die. There he is! Got him! That was easy. That was easy. I'm gonna put GG easy. GG easy. Okay, I'm a prop. Shit, I don't know where to hide. I'll hide right here. If he honestly doesn't find me here, I'll be surprised. Position. Screw off. Oh, he's gone. Okay, that was Kevin. He's looking for us. Oh. Position me. Oh. Oh, this game always terrifies me. It doesn't necessarily terrify me, but I'm just scared that I'm gonna die. Okay, I think I'm the only prop left. Lol. I don't want to click that. So Kevin, I can't see his name. Who are you? Okay. Oh no! I didn't even see that he was shooting me. Okay, who cares? Oh, there must be one more. Was it? No. You? No. You? No. You? No. Okay, I need, save my health. This good guy. I don't know. Okay, that's it. Got him. I'm gonna put GG not easy this time. Oh god, okay. No, stand up. Stand up. Okay. Here. Just gonna stand here. Well, I clicked the lol, but I don't know what it does, so I'm gonna try this spot. See what happens.
She goes down.
Alright. Well, I think this could be a good spot because, like, it's kind of hard to stay, like, on our side. So I'm pretty sure it's me and this guy right there. And that is it. Okay, good. No one has actually even looked over here. Let's say, no, I'm not gonna say what's up, Kevin, because then he's gonna see me and kill me. Wait, no. Okay. Sorry if I'm talking quiet. I don't know why I'm talking that quiet. But, I'm just kidding, sorry. So yeah, sorry if this, like, content is bad, but I just figured change up the game, because, like, Clash Royale is getting kind of boring, and I haven't posted in a while, so I figured I'll just go ahead and post. I've earned 5 coins. Nice. 2 people died at the same time, so just that Hunter left and me. So if Kevin dies, then I win, right? I'm at 4 HP. I'm at 4 HP. I'm at 4 Low. This map is so hard, dude. Like, this map is so hard to hide in. Go. Jump around for 2 minutes. No, he got me. Good job. Bro, guys, I'm sorry for these ads. They're really bad. Oh, there's actually one person. Kevin died. Hunter win. Nice. He disconnected. GG. I'm not gonna say GG again. I actually am not liking this map, so I'm probably gonna... Come on. Stand up. Oh, I got it. Good job. But I'm not gonna sit in the corner. I should not have done that. Oh, shit. Stop. Okay. Pretty sure he saw me, though. No, he didn't. Okay. There's the guy right behind him, and he sees me. Jump. Boom. No. Just stay here. Nope, don't go. Don't stay here. Got it. Good. Whew, that was kind of... And I'm just going to turn the game volume down all the way so you guys can hear me, because, like, the last few videos, it was bad, because, like, I believe all 3 of the last Clash Royale ones. Could you go away, good team? Kevin? Why, dude? Okay, let me just sit right here. Just like, this is how you play this map. I'm guessing. Let's just go ahead and... I'm just going to leave this exit, because I don't like this map. I'm going to try a new one. Server 1 will go USA this time, because I didn't mean to go Europe last time. Okay, let's go to server list. We'll try Bust. Or Bust, whatever. Okay, this looks like a better map. Has not been kicked from the server. Okay. Oh, there's another guy now. Look at my ping. It's 90. Oh, no, that's not. Is that me? I'm guessing my ping's 95. Sack. Oh, we got him. Hunter win. Good job. I believe I can fly. Okay, alright. We're not trash can. Let's see. Let's turn into this guy. Is this how I turn into people? How do I turn into people? Hello. Prop win. Okay. Okay, let's try this again. Do you have to stay the same person? Prop win again. Oh my gosh, dude, I'm out of this server. This is actually getting annoying. Exit. Okay, we'll try server 2 this time, because that might work a little better. I am very sorry for these stupid freaking whatever they're called, ads. Let's try maze, because that sounds like a good map. That sounds like a good map to play on. Could be. Depends on what prop you get, I guess. Let's see, who is a prop? Who even? Oh, Hunter Win, never mind. So who looks like a prop, but obviously not around here. Okay, we're a prop. If we could get on this trash can, that would actually be a kind of good spot. But no. Yeah, prop wins. That this is the server's gonna be like this. Jump. What's going on? Can we actually change? Like, how do I change? I guess we'll just sit right here. Actually, we can't because we're this prop. I'm dead. Yep. Well, oh my god, dude, these ads. What is wrong, dude? Sorry, god. Dude. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed. I just want to see. I just want to see if you guys like this game. If you do, hit the like button. I'll see you guys later.